UCL. It's PSG versus Bayern. Oh, Ahmadi! Ahmadi! First time being a striker. Almost dribbling through Murtaza Dhawan, but Mayank took the ball from him. It's Usher taking the free kick for PSG. I have one question, why is he taking like that? Oh, in! Dhawan, beautiful save to Murtaza. Trying to get through Ahmed. Ahmed playing brilliant for his first time as striker and SK Sports, I think. Oh, brilliance from Ahmed. It's Dhawan. It's Usher with the ball. It's Usher to Ahmed. Chance. Wait, Shahir with the ball. Shahir to Dhawan. Dhawan back to Shahir. To Murtaza. Charge. Murtaza. I have one question. How do you feel? Missing against only one goalkeeper. How do you feel? I have one question. Brilliant from Murtaza. Usher gets through Dhawan. Gets through. A goal! In a post goal! It's Shahir. And Shahir's team playing brilliantly. Shahir's team playing brilliantly in the game. That's what Shahir says. Brilliance from Dhawan. Brilliance from Shahir's team. No, it was already out. He just said outside.
Match here, bro. How does he have a chance?
Hey, Shahir's team playing brilliantly. Yeah, Usher. Hey, what Usher says. It's Usher. Not even going a striker. Oh!
Then what if you did a own goal?
Dhawan, what if you did a own goal by fans? Free hit question. What if you scored an own goal? To Dhawan. Dhawan try passing from Murtaza. It's Dhawan and Dhawan's team. Through Mayank. Again through Murtaza. What's happening? Hey, another chance. Brilliant block. To Usher. Chance. Oh. It's Usher. Ahmed in. Oh, Dhawan. It's Dhawan. Oh, brilliant from Hamza. Murtaza.
What?
It's Usher. Chance. Oh, 2-0. No. Brilliant save from Shahir. To Usher. Shahir actually playing very brilliant in this game. But then his team not cooperating with him. To Murtaza. Chance. No Usher. But still, somehow. Just not listening to the captain. To Mayank. To Usher. It's still a 2-0. Ahmed will take the ball. What happened? What happened, Hussein? That's Usher. My choice. A shot out by Shahir will be goal kick for PSG. Last 2 minutes till half time. It's still 1-0 since the start of the game. But chance for 2-0 now. But it won't be 2-0. Won't. Back to Dhawan. What is he doing? It's Mayank. It's Murtaza. It's Murtaza. Will not shoot. He will not even shoot if he's... No goal. To Usher. Oh! Will it be now? Yes, it will. It's 2-0. Play till half time. Murtaza tries to get through Hussein. Will get through Hussein, but Ahmed has the ball instead. Ahmed trying to get 2 players. And it's Murtaza. What are they doing? It's not foul. What a shot by Murtaza. He was passing to Usher. And yellow card to Shahir. Chance for 3-0. Not 3 days. Oh! What's happening? Two more to the beautiful. Half time, pip. Second half of the third game. The one passes it to Shahir. Shahir shoots it, but nice save from Ahmed. Shahir taking the throw in. This is Murtaza. Murtaza with the ball.
Here.
Shahir asking for here, but I don't know what is he doing. It's too here. It's too Shahir. He will shoot, but it won't be a goal. It's still 2-0 in the game. Yes, Asher. Getting passed through Murtaza. Imad. Ah, the goal from Imad. I have no idea what Shahir's team doing. But then Imad somehow like scoring. The person who does nothing in a game, the person who is no one in the game, scoring. It's Murtaza. Oh, Shahir. Nice touch. Through. 2,000. What a brilliant touch from Dhawan. He wanted the ball since long time.
Ashir, you win.
Another goal from Imad. It's 4-0. Full time. PSG won 4-0.